Hello, everyone. This is Keith Jackson, and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. We're continuing with understanding the rules of divisibility, and today we're going to understand divisibility by 3 and divisibility by 4. First, let's take a look at divisibility by 3, and divisibility by 3 works this way. The sum of the digits must add up to a sum that can be divided by 3. And here's what I mean by that. Let's take a look at 45. If you had 4 and 5 together, that would give us 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. And let's take a look at a strange number like 108, and that it can be divisible by 2, right? But it can also be divisible by 3, and here is why. Because if we add up the digits 1, 0, and 8, here's what's going to happen. 1 plus 0 plus 8 will give us 9, and guess what? 9 is also divisible by 3. Now let's take a look at 258, and when we see that, when we add these digits together, we get 2 plus 5 plus 8, and the sum total will be 15. 369, 3 plus 9 plus, 3 plus 6 plus 9 would give us 15. And as you can see, 15 over here, they're divisible by 3. And we have 123. When we add those digits together, they come up to 6, and 6 is divisible by 3. That's all you have to do is to make sure that the sum of these digits come up to a number that can be divided by 3. And let's just take a look at a random number such as 2,406. And let's see what happens. Okay, let's add up those digits and see if that they come up to a number that can be divisible by 3. We know that 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 6 is 12. 12 is divisible by 3, right? So let's see if it'll work. And so when we divide 2,406 by 3, here's what's going to happen. We know that 3 goes into 24 8 times. And we bring down the 24 and subtract, right? Then we bring down the 0 here, making sure to put a 0 here as a placeholder. And then the only thing that we have to do is bring down this 6. And we know that 3 goes into 6 twice. 6 minus 6 will give us 0. And the answer is 802. And here is a wonderful thing about dividing by 3, is that division by 3 divides a number into 3 equal parts. All right, and so let's go to division by 4. Divisible by 4 works this way. The last two digits have to be divisible by 4. So let's say, for example, we have 312, and we know that 12 is divisible by 4, as you can see right here. 16 in 416 is divisible by 4. 540, the 40 in that number is divisible by 4, as you can see right here, right along the side. 1,036, well, we know that the 36 is divisible by 4, and it'll give us 9. And of course, 1,572, well, that's going to be divisible by 4. The 72 part of it is that way because we know that 72 divided by 4 will give us 18. And let's go ahead and test this one out. Let's put 1,572 in the division box and divide it by 4, see what happens. And so when we divide 1,572 by 4, we know that 4 goes into 15 right here, this first part, 3 times, because we know that 4 times 3 will give us 12. 15 minus 12 will give us the 3. 4 can't go into 3, so we're going to have to bring down the 7. And that's 37. We know that 4 goes into 37 9 times because 4 times 9 will give us 36, leaving us with 1 left over because 37 minus 36 will give us 1. Therefore, we are forced to bring down the 2, 12, and here it is right here because we know that 4 times 3 will give us 12. 12 take away 12 would leave us with no remainder. And as a result, our answer will be 393. And division by 4 divides a number into 4 equal parts. All right, this would be a good time to pause the video if you need to, or replay this video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of divisibility by 3 and divisibility by 4. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.